Welcome to Benidorm town in Costa Blanca in Spain. Welcome to Rincon de Loix, to our channel Benidorm by Anna. And in today's video, where we will be checking out the indoors market, the Mercaloix, a very famous closed market right next to some hotels such as Hotel Nereo or Dynastic, that has great variety for different products, nice pricing, one of the best currency exchanges in Benidorm town and around it, plus a lot of British and international products and services. And today we will discover how it looks like, how it have changed throughout these last year and a half, almost 2 years time. And it's also a great place where to go when it's cold and when it's either raining or very windy outside. Even Union Jacks here has put some terrace. They've closed it because it's been quite chilly these days. Very surprising. Homemade burgers from €8. Ooh, that's actually a very nice price. I hope they come with fries, but still it's a very good price. Sandwiches, snacks. It's quite chilly. It's not early morning. It's past midday already. It's 3 p.m. But these days we've had quite a chilly weather out here. Once the sun comes out, it's all right, but in the shade with the clouds, it's not so comfortable to stay outside for a long time unless you're dressed properly. Here on our way towards the indoors market, we can see a lot of useful places. There are some hotels such as Hotel Dynastic. We've showed it to you here on the channel. If you want to search something, search it in our list by the name of the hotel, or you can just put Benidorm by Anna and something that you want to find. For example, Hotel Dynastic or Indoors Market or Benidorm's Market. And like this, things will pop up on your screen if we have filmed them. Very nice roast chicken in this place right here, which is Cafe Rios. They have great churros too. Chicken to takeaway, $15.60 with fries and with some sauces. They have freshly baked bread, churros, sandwiches, toasts, and full meals. Actually, for a very attractive price. It's a typical Spanish place, but a lot of international tourists are also visiting it. Here we have already the main building where the indoor market is hiding. It's a great place, and here we have some currency exchange on the right side, and it says it's 1.135 for a British pound, and they charge no fees or no commissions. Best price, see euro pound indoor market. That's actually true. I think it's 1.14 more or less. If you exchange just a tiny bit, you cannot notice it so much, but if you exchange slightly bigger amount of money, you will notice the currency exchange. So the better it is, the more money you're getting for the money you're exchanging. The indoors market is situated right here on the corner. There are 2 entrances. There is a third one probably, but the main ones are 2. One of them is right here. We can see it already, the black on the pink letter M, which is market. It's open from Monday to Saturday. Sundays it's closed, but on Sunday we have an open market right by the Hotel Pueblo. And it's called Shopping Center Indoor Market Mercaloix. This is one of the entrances, but it's not the main one. Even though on the inside there are a lot of businesses, here on the outside of this place there's also quite a lot of them. Mostly Chinese stores, bazaars. There's some electronics where you can purchase a phone or a SIM card or top it up if you need something specific for your holidays. This is where you might be able to get it in terms of electronics and maybe some souvenirs, magnets, jewelry, accessories, etc. The curry house, Kebabish Curry House, a lot of people say it's a good place, but some people did also mention that sometimes the service wasn't great, or sometimes people didn't get the right amount of money back. Things happen, might be an error, might be not. Let us know if you've tried this place and if you enjoyed it, if the food was good. This is like an Indian takeaway place for some snacks. Obviously, you could go to an Indian restaurant and ask for a menu to take away, But if you're in a rush and you just want some snacks before you head to your next place to discover, then this might be a good option. Here on the right side, right in front of the Hotel Nereo, is where we have the entrance towards the indoor market, which is the main entrance itself. This is how it looks like, and on both corners we have some more shops. This entrance also has ramps, which means that it is suitable to not only as the previous one, but this one too is suitable for wheelchairs, for children's boogies. If you have mobility issues, this will be suitable as well. This is a very, very old traditional market that has been here for decades and decades. Trust us. It's been changing quite a lot. Some businesses closed down, others opened up, but it has a lot of useful things. First of all, we have a lot of shops that have some clothing. They even have luggages and suitcases here. 10, 15 or 20 euros. These are the prices. Okay, fixed prices more or less. Already summer dresses are here because it was quite hot, but now it's cold again. Here we have some underwear, some pajamas and things like this. Offers. Also, a lot of Spanish and locals actually go to this bazaar, to this indoor market, because there's a lot of nice prices. Obviously, butcher meat place, not only fresh meat, but also cheeses, different types of hams, and much more is available out here. Obviously, Chinese bazaars are also a thing. There's a big place for souvenirs. There's some magnets here. €1 a magnet. That's not bad. Accessories for the hair. €2, €1, €3 belts for €3. That's not bad at all. And then we have a lot of different bracelets, themed bracelets too, which a lot of them do have international names. Here we have food, bar Molina. Daily menu, $12.50. That's very cheap. That is very cheap. $12.50 for a daily menu. That's extremely cheap right now. The euro-pound currency exchange, the best currency exchange, they have 1.14. So yes, it's higher than the ones that we've seen. We've seen 112, 113, and that's 1.14, which is great. Some place with themed, like Disney type of themed things here for children, hats, purses, some toys as well. If you want to grab something for the holidays, that would not be as expensive, as if you would buy it in a big store. More belts, leather things too, socks, t-shirts, a lot of different things can be found out here. Also, the place where they do gifts and souvenirs. So these are crafts. Usually they've put it with wood. They can put the name on something, and it makes it special. Pedicure and manicure places are also available right here. And before there was a shoe shop, the place where you could bring your shoes in case something happened and they would be able to fix them for you. But right now it's not the case. They disappeared, and now the closest one is in Carrefour, sadly, right by the shopping mall. Here we have some aesthetics place, hairdressers and barber shop, massages from 35 euros. That's not bad. 35 euros. That's all right, I guess. Some more slippers, shoes out here, places to grab some snacks, walnuts. Ooh, wash and blow dry, 10 euros. Women's cut, 12, men's cut, 10. Okay. Here's some sweets, Benidorm Rock. What is it? I don't know this sweet. That's interesting. Sheila's money exchange. There's another money exchange out here. There we go. Cards and gifts. Actually, there's some nice places that do have cards which are in English. This is very, very good because imagine you're... Oh, this is even higher. 1.145. Way to go, Sheila. Okay, 1.145. Tony's exchange, 1.14. So there are several exchange places now here. You can choose the one that gives you the best rate. Here we have Mr. Mint's. This is paint gels. They have natural cosmetics, aloe vera things. That's very, very good because these are 100% natural, as they say. So obviously it has fresh aloe vera in it, and it's great for sunburns. Trust me. If you can find fresh aloe vera anywhere, take it and apply it. If not, you can use these types of creams and gels that will help you out quite a lot if you have a sunburn, which happens very often during holidays in our region because the sun is very, very aggressive. Here we have some cosmetics, some toys, some personalized gifts out here. Oh, here you could buy lobster, but now it's closed. I wonder if they will open up soon. Some more hairdressers. There's way more hairdressers than the last time we were here. Okay, but it's more or less the same. 10 euros ladies, 9 euros gentlemen, fade cuts, hot towel and shave, nails, waxing. Okay. Perfume place where they mix you your favorite perfumes. Hairdresser, okay. Men's cut 7 euros. That's even cheaper. Wash and cut, blow dry, wash and cut color, 18 euros. I mean, if it would be an emergency, maybe that would be an option. Perfumes here as well, up to 80% off on perfumes. Okay, all right. Then we have some more atypical shops with different types of designs for t-shirts. Happy days, it's another money exchange. My God. 1.145, another money exchange. Sunglasses, we've seen here for 4 euros, 5 euros. Typical Spanish dresses, clothing, some electronics. What is it? Home decorations. Okay, that's also interesting. That's new home decorations place here. Very interesting. Looks very small. Engravings were here before. Now they're closed. Hopefully they will open up back again. And then we have some more bars out here. Different types of offers for drinks, cafes, beers, etc. Here there was a nice place where to get some SIM cards, and there still are places here where you can get some SIM card in case you need it while you're here on holidays. These are prepaid SIM cards. You can have it for a month, and then you can just top it up automatically or come here and they will do it for you. Some more bags, and this looks quite busy. Ooh, sausages, chickens, meat, wine. Let's go to this one. I think we've not been in this one before. Hepburn's hair, beauty, and nails. Oh my goodness. There's even wigs out here. Breakfast at Tiffany's. Interesting. But I do think it is closed right now because the door is closed. The Purple Shop, Alarcon. This is British products, actually. Let's see. Okay, they all have price tags on it. This is what I like. In these types of places, they all do have price tags on them, which is great. I would never ever purchase a thing that doesn't have a tag on it because like this, I feel I'm being scammed and not being told the prices that they just want to tell us. This is British products and British bakery. Great place to grab some drinks, great place to grab some snacks. And definitely recommend it. There's some nice pastries and baked things out here, fresh, that you could try out if you miss some of these. And usually it gets really, really busy. Just look at this. There's a steak pie, there's steak and kidney pie, steak and Guinness pie. Oh, wow. There's a lot going on. Even cakes, look at that. If you need a cake, my birthday is in Benidorm. Oh, wow. If you need a cake, hey, you could come to this place and ask for one and take one. That's actually very, very fun. I would grab it myself. My goodness. This is another entry. This goes directly towards the British Street by the Silver Dollar towards the Girona Street. And then there's another one that we've seen in the beginning of the video. This one has stairs. So that's the only thing. It does have ramps too, but has quite a lot of stairs since it's going down. I was surprised with the cakes. I would want a cake like this. Imagine you're having your birthday in Benidorm and then you grab a fun cake saying, my birthday, happy birthday from Benidorm or in Benidorm with a picture of Benidorm on it. That's actually so fun and so nice. So you could potentially get a cake from this British bakery. If not, you could also grab some cakes from Carrefour, or you could grab some cakes from Granier Bakery. Very, very nice bakery here. They do have carrot, almond, chocolate, typical cakes, some special flavors. And they're quite with a reasonable price, less than 20 euros per cake, which is great alternative if you're celebrating your birthday and you oh my goodness, and you don't want to be without a cake here, even if you're on holiday, so that might be a great option. Silver dollar is so incredibly full. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, there's so many people out here, it's crazy. I always forget we're heading straight into May already, but still seeing so many people in some specific places and other places being half empty is strange. Here we have some more pubs, the Marianos, the famous Marianos place. We filmed a video about it. If you want to check it out, how we went there and which kind of chicken did we get, because usually those who go to Marianos are going for their roast chicken, which was before the best one in Benidorm. Now it's not the case, sadly, unless they've changed something and didn't tell us. Then that might be the case. If they've improved, then it might be. But if not, then they didn't. Also, they didn't have prices on the menu. We couldn't see how much it would cost. And when we asked why, they just said that, well, we changed prices, so we just didn't want to put them here. After the video, they've put the prices bright and clear on the entrance towards the place. So something good happened afterwards, at least. All around the indoors market, as you can see, there's quite a lot of businesses. It's very close to hotels and to the beach. Really, really worth visiting. Have you been here already?